How to bleep swears in CapCut. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your CapCut on your browser or either open your CapCut application on your PC or to your mobile app. So in order to bleep swears, we just need to head over in here this, click on this create new, and then choose right here your video option. For example, let's create this one. From in there, just click on this to drag and upload a video, or you can also choose from the media that you already have uploaded. For this case, I have this one, so let's just drag and drop it right around here. Now, once it's been opened, the next thing you need to do is to actually zoom in into the actual interface into your footer right there. As you can see, we have zoomed in enough, and for example, if the swear word is around this part, you can click onto this right here onto this button or click on B on your keyboard. And then just locate the end of the swear word. For example, in here onto this case, just click on B. And then after that, this will be actually split into the next part right here. You can also click onto the split option in here as well. Now in there, you can just click onto the actual clip with the swear word. Click onto the audio. Then for the volume, make sure that the volume is around 0. And for this case, you can actually add in here your new audio with the bleep sound. So click on audio right there. And then, for example, this is a bleep sound. Proceed to add it right here into this part. And then just trim it in order to actually be onto the part that it occupies the swear word for this case. So here is, we have that. Just click on this, then split, then delete the excess. After that, we have now this. So that's how you bleep swear words in CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.